Hey guys, how's it going? How to report voter suppression tactics. So, gather as much evidence as possible, including photos, videos, or written descriptions of the incidents. Report the issue to your local or state election office. Provide them with the detailed information and any evidence you have. Reach out to organizations that focus on voting rights, such as the ACLU or the NAACP. They can provide support and may take further action. And call national voter protection hotlines such as the election protection hotline 1866 our vote to report your concerns and seek guidance. If applicable, consider contacting local news outlets to raise awareness about the suppression tactics. Stay in touch with the authorities and organizations to ensure your report is being addressed. By taking these steps, you can help combat voter suppression in your community. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.